Hello.
Hi.
Hey cuties! So today I'm with my boyfriend.
Hello.
And he's gonna do my makeup today because I don't want to do it, and he's gonna do it. So hopefully do a good job because I have the filming.
I've never done makeup before, so.
Wait, on anyone?
No one. No. Nothing. So I don't even know anything about makeup.
Okay, well, wait, you don't know anything about it?
I know like eyeliner.
If you guys want to see videos of us with vlogs, or we have a series out, new series, episode 1 is out right now on our channel. You guys can go down below. I even changed the channel name, so it's us. You're in it.
Yes, I am in it. I'm in it for the long haul.
Aww, I love you.
I love you.
Link is down below. Go subscribe, go watch, go give us some support. You can see our daily lives, what we do, we eat food. It's pretty much all we do. Okay, so.
Are you ready for this? Okay. Hang on, let me just get a look at everything first. What the hell? I wish this stuff came with like labels. Contour book. I know what contour is. I'm learning. Shade and light eye contour palette. What's different from this contour palette from eye contour from regular contour? Just makes no sense. A nude palette. What do you do with that? Long lasting what? Oh my god. Bronzer. Isn't that for like tanning? I can't even figure out how to open this one. Oh.
I'm scared.
On the other side. Okay. God damn it. This isn't gonna be easy. Lipstick. I know what lipstick is. I've seen these before. Okay, let's get started here. I'm gonna go ahead and go on a limb and say we're gonna start with this. It says full coverage, so cover it full.
Oh goodness.
Let's go with this big guy. Well, that doesn't look good. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Let's just try a little at the start. Okay, close your eyes.
Oh my god.
Okay, get the rest of your hair out of your face.
Oh.
Let's start with like the forehead. There you go, better already.
Well, I don't look good natural.
Oh my god.
It's good pressure you're applying.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well that's good.
You're not being too gentle or too hard.
Just stop moving, okay?
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. I don't know if it's doing anything.
Can I do your makeup for a video?
Nope.
You could be Olga.
Nope.
That'd be your drag name, Olga Harris.
Ew. Thanks. Okay, we'll start with that.
I'm showing them your creation.
Oh. Okay, what is this now? Normal to dry, hydrate, smooth. What the heck?
You don't have to use everything here, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
This is just...
I'm just trying to use stuff. Bronzer. You always like a little bronze. Let's go with that. Let's try this thing. Maybe this will work good. Oh no. Oh god.
People are gonna clock me in all my videos for today. You can blend it too with other things.
I'm working on it. Just let me do my magic here.
It's not terrible.
Well, that's not gonna work.
What are you looking for?
Yeah, I'm just kind of going through everything and I'm seeing what's gonna work. Let's go with some of this. See how that works.
That's a cream.
And?
Okay. Oh, you're baking?
I don't know.
It's a good technique.
It's kind of helping.
You're blending it, I can feel. I love you. See, look, it's softening up. You're blending it.
Okay. Oh, that. Let's see. Turn to me. I need to figure out what I'm doing here.
Did you go to school for this?
No. Just watched a lot of drag shows.
Which drag queen do you get your inspiration from this look?
Trixie Mattel. Okay. Let's go with this.
Yes, that's a good choice.
Something colorful.
We support black-owned businesses, right?
Yes. Close your eyes for a second. I'll go with this one.
What would you do?
I gotta make sure it's the right size.
Pretty.
We're gonna go with this one. It kind of matches your shirt. Close your eyes.
No.
You need to relax them.
How's it coming? Ooh.
Very blue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open your eyes for a second. Oh my god. What did I do?
What do you call this look?
Going to church on Sunday.
Like a hooker?
Sure. Just keep your eyes closed for a second, will you?
Okay.
I feel like the pressure's really on when you open them. So.
When you're choosing. So. I can't. I can't. You're doing really good.
Well, it doesn't sound like it. You know.
You are. You're doing good.
Very supportive.
You're doing really good. You know the blend. Sick! Are you kidding?
Let's just leave that for now.
Okay. You want to try eyeliner? I'll help you. You have 2 different options. It's liquid or pencil. Good choice.
Can you like close your eyes when I do this?
Yep. Feels like you're doing good. You go to school for this.
Don't open your mouth. You'll mess up your eyeliner. It could be worse.
Hey, it's actually good. Amy Winehouse is shaking.
Okay.
It looks very Amy Winehousey with the eyeliner. I love it.
Cool. I'm gonna go with some eyebrows. I'm gonna try and do some eyebrows.
What?
Eyelashes.
Okay, I thought you were gonna put that on my eyebrows.
Oh my god.
Oh goodness.
Okay, I've seen you do this a couple times.
It's not bad.
It's not good, but
You covered up my zit.
okay.
You want me to close my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or are you supposed to?
It's whatever you want. You're the makeup artist. Cute. Oh my god, it kind of looks from far away.
This is very meticulous.
I love you.
That's what you do with hot foods.
I'm ready.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay. Okay, sis.
Oh.
Can I use this?
I would wait till they were dry first.
Okay.
Just my opinion.
What the heck is this? Was that also for lips?
Yeah. It's like a different color of lipstick.
Nope, this one will do good. I
Okay,
actually
good.
think it'll look nice.
Oh, how do you want me to do my lips? I already look like that normally.
Give it up.
I guess you're laughing.
Ah, jeez. You're never gonna make it in this game, kid.
I don't know, maybe yeah, some eyebrows would be nice, but I
Some
mean
eyebrows. Oh,
yeah.
which one's eyebrows?
Yeah, I mean just a little bit of eyebrows.
Oh, I didn't even realize about eyebrows.
Oh, then who else makeup are you gonna do?
No one's ever again.
Why?
Because this is hard.
You're doing good. What? What?
You look like a 6-year-old that put on makeup for
Oh
the
my
first
god.
time.
Me every time I do my makeup?
Oh my god.
I feel like it's really harsh.
You looking? Oh my god.
What?
Let me just see if I can.
I think you're doing good for your first time.
Is it see again? Oh, it's even worse. Okay, there's no coming back. To the other side. Look pretty. Like a princess.
Aww. Where are you putting this? Sorry.
On the sides. Okay, I think it looks good.
Oh, wow, the blush is perfect. Right brush, right technique, perfectly placed. Looks good.
You looking light? Yep.
Cute.
I'd say you're done.
Done?
I'd say it's done.
Oh, here's the reveal. What?
It looks even worse in the camera. Was I supposed to just do like the eyelid?
Well, it's whatever you want. I can show you when I do your makeup. It's really good for your first. I would never get eyelashes on the first try ever.
Well, hey, that's
The
good.
eyelashes are really good. The lips are really good. The contour is actually good and well placed. This was foundation to put on your face first.
Oh.
And then you put the powder on top. But you gave me a more natural look.
Oh my god.
It doesn't look bad. I kind of just look like
It looks pretty
I went
bad.
to the club and I'm on my way
You
home.
had a really rough night. You had a really bad night. Maybe you cried a little bit, got a little too drunk,
Me every
lost
time.
a shoe. I think if I do anything else, it's just gonna get worse. So, I'm happy with that.
Okay, let me know what you think of this look. What would you rate it for his first time and he doesn't know like anything about any of this here? I thought it was gonna be way worse than it was. Again, go watch our channel. Link is down below if you guys want to see more of us. And thank you so much for doing my makeup today.
You're welcome.
Should I wear it out for the rest of the day?
No. You're gonna have to go like use your magic wipes on everything.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye!
See ya.